Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an unboxing and overview on this product from GearWrench. This is a 12-piece mini and Torx screwdriver set. Has a lifetime warranty, and this was on sale for $11 from Tractor Supply. And this is, well, this is too flashy. Let me remove the nylon wrapping here. Okay. All right, so now it's less reflective. Here it does say speed zone for ease of use, black oxide tip for less slip, oil and solvent resistant handle, and it says Tri-Lobe handle for comfort. All right, and it has flat and Phillips and Torx. And on the back, some more information here. Just like the front, black oxide and slip. Blades laser etched with part number and size for quick reference right there. Dual material handle for comfort, that there. And speed zone, I'm guessing that for your thumbs, you know. Let's take it out of the box. I mean, not box, the sleeve. Okay, so the zipper bag doesn't say GearWrench on it anywhere, and it seems, you know, just a standard zipper bag, nothing special. And here is the set. Alright, so let's take a look at this one here. Okay. There you go. So the GearWrench is pretty nice on here. And you know, when you're working on delicate stuff, you would be doing like this. Or, you know, just holding it with your hand like this and turning the screwdriver like that. At least that's what I do when I'm working on a laptop or a tiny product that has tiny screws, but they're all like that. This is wobbly top. Okay, don't need to remove it, but I was just curious to see if it will be removed easily. Yeah, so this is what I usually do. I put it here and do like this. All right, so yeah, it has the Torx. These are the flathead, and there is the Phillips, and these are all Torx. So there is 6 of the Torx ones, and 3 Phillips and 3 flat. All right, so yeah, this is just a quick unboxing of this product and review. Let me move the camera up a little bit so it's better view. There you go. Sorry about that, I didn't notice it until now. All right, so yeah, for $11 I think it's worth it. There is 12 pieces here, so $1 a piece, and plus the case maybe another $1. But yeah, very good. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. I will leave a link to the product page on Tractor Supply, but I'm guessing if you search on Google for that product name or model number, you will find it at different stores. I didn't check, but it might be a little bit more expensive somewhere else. This was $11, so it's good. If you have a comment, leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you all in the next video. Please have a nice day. Bye bye.